Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful real estate template in Next.js. So guys, here we go. So guys, see, it's a beautiful real estate template. See, in Next.js latest version. And guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So guys, see, just beautiful. And is fully responsive as well. See guys, fully responsive. Guys, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. Here's my blog, here's my contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services as well. Also, on my blog, you will get the multiple free admin dashboards as well. See guys, all are free of cost. In React.js, in Angular, in Next.js, and Vue.js as well. So guys, this is for you, free real estate template, and feel free to hire me for more projects. I am full-time freelancer. Now friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.